With so many wonderful options for saving and being creative on the Pfaff creative icon, you're going to eventually want to save your work, whether it's so you can do it tomorrow or just be able to reference it and use it again at a later time. So I've been working and playing with a couple of built-in designs where I lined them all up. So I'm going to just bring them up on screen. This is a built-in design from the Signature collection. It's design number 25. So if I touch and hold, and if I open up edit and move it to the center of the hoop, and I actually put that on point, so I did the rotation, but instead of turning it by myself, I actually touched the 0 and did 45 degrees. Okay, so now I want 2 more of those. Easiest way to do it is touch and hold and duplicate. I can duplicate once or I can multi-duplicate, which would allow me to tell it how many times I want. I want 2 more, and then that way I can bring them in individually and then move them off to the side. So once I have them all lined up, and you can actually get them completely lined up beautifully, nice and even. So even if you did center and then moved it off to the side, you can just touch and hold and it will move it right on that axis. And then we can get it all zoomed in and get it perfect. But really, you can touch the numbers and get it right where you want it to be. So let's say that is exactly, that looks a little overlap, so we'll just nudge it out. I love the fact that there's such small increments from moving. So when you actually get it to go somewhere, it is just so precise. We can zoom in on the design and even zoom in even further. So just kind of, for right now, I'm gonna just kind of get a general location that works for me. Okay, so that looks great. So now I want to be able to keep this and get back to it at a later time. You're going to come down to the heart right on the outside part of your screen. Touch the option to save this. So my SewNet is what we're going to save it to. If you're logged in, great. Then it actually will save it to the cloud. If not, it's just saving it on the machine. You can also choose a USB device if that is something in your machine right now. I don't have one, so that's why it's grayed out. So we're going to type in a name or new design name to it. Or if you want to create a new folder for maybe a variety or handful designs you want to save, you can touch here, start a new folder. But let's just say, let's call this Diamond. And then I at least know what it is called, and touch OK. All right, so let's just pretend we're going to touch and hold the screen, delete all, and again, that's just for clearing off the screen. So where did it actually go? Let's say it's tomorrow, you turn it on, you say start new embroidery, you come to a blank screen. So we're going to go to the cloud option. And the last thing I was at was in some of my Sewing Mastery logos. I was doing some t-shirts. And so these are folders. So if we'll scroll all the way down, and we're looking for the D for diamond. And if it's not in where the diamond is, it's at the end. Oh, no, it is. It's already been popped in alphabetical. There it is right at that point where I can see it. So if I want to bring it back in, touch and hold, and then it's all set. So one thing nice, you notice that each of these are still individual. They are not locked together. They can be pulled back into place. This is a cute little design. It's actually an applique design, so fabric was used in that background, and they can actually be stitched on a water-soluble stabilizer, and these could actually be added as earrings or decorative accents to make kind of a 3D embroidery at a later time. So check those out. There's other shapes in the built-in designs that have this same similar format. But now you know how to save and retrieve designs on the Pfaff creative icon.